How's it going, everybody? It's Brian with American Steel Carports. We're out here on a nice, bright, sunny day in Godley, Texas. The building we're gonna be looking at today is gonna be a beautiful one. The main structure here is gonna be a 20-foot wide on the front end wall. It's gonna be 30-foot long. The height on the main structure here is gonna be 10-foot tall, and it is gonna have a continuous lean-to with 8-foot legs and 30-foot long as well, 8-foot wide. Let's go showcase the front of this structure real quick. Got a nice roll-up door that you're gonna wanna look at. Let's go. Okay, so starting off here in the front, I'm going to showcase real quick that the building is sitting on a concrete pad provided by the customer. The customer did happen to get a ramp right here directly in front of this roll-up door. The customer also did happen to get the notch detail on this concrete that just provides more protective measures for any dust or water to get in from the side of the building. I am going to show off real quick that the customer does have a nice 12x8 black roll-up door. In the center here, it's going to be a little bit taller with that 312 pitch that we offer. The customer did happen to get the 12 gauge framing, which is an upgrade compared to our 14 gauge that comes standard on our buildings. The customer did happen to get A-frame vertical roof. So that is going to come with the hat channels and reinforced for the snow, water, and all that stuff. The customer also did happen to get vertical siding and vertical ends as well. It's going to have the girts running along the length of the structure as well. Overall, this building is reinforced and heavily protected. All right, guys, I just wanted to come back inside real quick and show off that the building is sitting on the concrete. So here you can see that the customer does have the concrete bolts that are required to be attached to the metal building to the concrete pad. Also, you'll notice here that the customer does have foam enclosures on his structure. It's a good idea to get if you're worried about pests or anything like that. Now here up top, you'll notice something new that we offer here at American Steel Carports. It's going to be one of our vents. Now the size on that is going to be a 12x12. That just provides more airflow coming inside the building. You'll notice here, and when I talked about in the beginning, the black windows instead of the white windows that we offer, it's a 30x30, and the customer did happen to get 3 of them, 2 on this side, and then another one on the other side of the structure. Looks very nice. They also have no grid, so it provides a lot of visibility from inside to outside. You're gonna see the customer did upgrade the walk-in door. Now, normally we offer a 36x80 inch white colored walk-in door, but this customer did happen to get a 36x84 inch heavy duty walk-in door. It is solid, but he did that so he can get from the inside of the structure, because the 12x8 roll-up door that we have here on the front does not have the latch on the outside. It only has the chain on the inside. So he's going to need this walk-in door to get in and out of his building and open the garage door. But let's go outside onto the lean-to real quick. Now this lean-to is 8 feet wide, and it's going to be the same length as the main building, and it's going to have a continuous roof coming from the legs of the main structure down to the legs of the lean-to, and it is going to be sitting on 8-foot tall leg. Now something different that the customer did do on this structure is that the customer opted for the cedar post here on the side instead of the legs. Now that is something that we offer here in Texas. Very nice and aesthetically pleasing. And they are going to be a solid substitution to the steel posts that we normally come on the buildings. Also, it is going to help with walkability around your building, because we do remove the base rail when we do put the cedar post on these structures. Something new also that we have started to offer here at American Steel Carports is a gutter system. This customer did happen to get one, and we're going to be showcasing it here real quick. It's going to help provide, all the rainfall and all the water with the vertical roof come down the sides and then be redirected away from the structure. The siding here that the customer happened to get is going to be the burnished slate, and they got the color matching screws as well. The customer did happen to get the black roof and black trim, just to help, with the black door and the black windows, making it all look very nice, and the black gutters as well. Anyways, guys, that was a nice quick little tour. This was a 20 wide by 30 foot long by 10 foot tall main building Lean-to, 8 foot wide, 8 foot legs with cedar posts. Colors were burnished slate and black trim for everything else, matching the doors, the windows, and the roll-up door, and the gutter system, which is new as well. Just showcasing, some new things that we offer here at American Steel, giving you more ideas, all of that nature. You can really make it your own here at American Steel Carports. Don't forget to share, like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to watch further videos, in the future, showcasing more beautiful things. And, leave us a comment down below. Anything else that you want to see or anything that you're interested in, we'll be happy to answer and all of that nature. Anyways, this has been Brian with American Steel Carports. Here to answer questions and show you all that we can do so that you can get your dream metal building too.